Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me a clip art. I've already taken it off the screen, but to make something like this with a broken heart, this is very easily done. Let's grab our basic shape tools, go up here and get your basic shape and get your heart. Hold down your control button so you get a symmetrical heart. Let's put it in the center of the page. Let's zoom in here. Let's draw a straight line holding down the control button and hit P. You don't have to do this, but you can go ahead and delete these upper and lower lines. Grab your line, go right up here and add a node. It'll put one right in the middle, and then just keep hitting your mouse till you get the node you want. Our heart is about 8 inches, so look, I'm going to set the nudge distance on 1/2 of an inch. Grab your shape tool, grab that top node, select it and hit your left arrow key. Grab the second one and hit your right, left, right, left. All I'm doing is hitting the arrow keys. Whoop, I hit down. And you could actually leave that last one. Get your smart fill tool and fill it in. Now we want to keep it even. So let's change our nudge factor to 8 inches. Let's grab our smart fill. Let's smart fill this in and grab it and move it over the same amount. You could actually get it closer holding down your control button so it'll be equal. You could select both these and put no fill. Right click outline, go down here and change it to a hairline. On that size deal, I'm going to say 12 points, but you need to scale with objects. Smaller, it'll remain the same thickness. Now let's put these kind of in the center of the page, and let's just write out our text. Well, you know what? I'm going to save that for the next video. Show you how to put text in there kind of on a slant where it would be equal. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.